Hi everyone, this is another Temu haul, or I might upload this first, I'm not sure, but I had another one that I filmed prior to this, so let's open it. This is gonna be a very quick haul. So I only spent around $7 on this one because of promos and discounts. They really have great discounts right now. If you download the app, I'm gonna put the link down below, because I think they're just, I don't know if they're starting out or they're trying to get more customers, so there's really a lot of great discounts. So these are hair clips. This is a plush makeup bag. Okay, let's open it. So this is it. It has a zipper. It's very cute and it's soft. So here it is. Let's go to the next one. This is a sanitary napkin case or pouch. So that's it. This is a toiletry bag. Let's open it. So it says wash bag. It has two compartments and it's a little translucent or transparent, so you could see what's inside. And for the final one, let's see what's inside. It's also a toiletry bag or a makeup bag with a hanger. So this is how it looks like. So let's open it. It has the hanger thing here, so you could use it. You can hang your stuff. I mean, you can hang the entire bag. It's really nice, and I got everything for around $7, like I said, and I saved probably around $19. So everything is around $26, less than $19, and it became around $7. So I don't know the exact cents, but this is a pretty good deal.